In front of me is REALME C75 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Firstly, open Settings and scroll to tap on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, this time to tap on Device Unlock. And finally, select Fingerprint and Face Unlock section. Select Face on the left to continue, tap on Agree, and enter your current login method. Now it's time to choose Add Now, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, hit Done and manage all of those options however you wish, but make sure this switcher next to Screen Unlock is blue, because without it you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. So when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!